Hi, I'm Troy Hughes from Armourine Jones. Today I'd like to show you how to start and stop a track and transfer a track to a route in your Garmin Glassbridge screen. Okay guys, we're going to start the track. So we go to Info, we go to User Data, we go to Tracks, we go to Active Track Options because we want to make it active. So Record Mode, we need to choose Fill or Wrap. We'll choose Fill today, and then we'll go back and we've started a track. So now we're going to make the track. And you'll see on the screen it starts to leave the little track behind the boat. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to stop the track. As you can see, we're still making the track there, but we're going to stop it. I'm going to go Info, User Data, Tracks, Active Track Options. We've got to stop the track first, so we're going to go off. We'll go back, and now we'll go Save Active Track. So that's it there. We're going to go Save. We want to name it, so we have to edit the track. We'll go Name. We're going to call it Coomera Riv space T. So we'll go Coomera Riv, the Coomera River space T. Now we've saved that track. The key part of stopping it and saving it is that we don't end up with a big jumble of tracks all on top of each other every time you go out boating. So now that we've saved that track, we want to transfer it into a route so we can delete the track out of our data, and it's a route and it's something that we can follow with auto guidance. So we're going to go Info, User Data, Tracks, Save Tracks. We're going to select that one. We're going to edit again, and we're going to go Save as a route. So we're going to save that. And again, because we want to name it, we've got to edit the route. So we hit Name, we'll delete that, and we'll go Coomera Riv. And the reason I put the T after it is it's so that I can recognise that that's something that has been transferred from a track that I've driven. So I'm confident enough that it's a safe track, and I'll be able to use it on my auto guidance. So now that we're done, and we're back. Now we're actually going to go into the save tracks, which we're back in there. Save tracks, as you can see. We're going to select that, and we're going to delete it because we don't need it anymore, and we don't want the extra material on the screen. Okay, that should clear. We go Info, User Data, Tracks, Clear Active Track. That will clear it off your screen. There we go. So now I want to connect to the route. I'll go Info, User Data. Now we've got to go into Routes and Auto Guidance. So we'll push that. We'll find our track, there it is, and we'll highlight it. And we'll go Navigate to. And because we're going back across the track, we've got to go backwards. So we'll push that, and we hit Engage. And now the boat will connect and follow on auto guidance. Thanks for watching our tips and tricks video on tracks and routes. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you.